Hi. In this video, we will quickly compare Pipedrive versus Salesforce. Thousands of sales and marketing professionals around the world are currently dealing with the complexity of selling. They're trying to simplify the process so they can focus on their jobs. Ease of use. Pipedrive's drag and drop pipeline design makes it easy to create and manage multiple types of pipelines for every team in your organization. It's also built with a simple user interface that's designed to help you seamlessly move data from spreadsheets and other CRM. Its AI-powered features and 400 third-party integrations can help you get more done. Competitive pricing. Regardless of how big your company is, it's important that you have the right tools to help you run your business efficiently. With Pipedrive's competitive pricing, you can get the features you need for less than half the cost of a full-featured CRM system. At a time when the competition in the CRM industry is fierce, Pipedrive is consistently among the best value for money providers. We believe that enabling your business means giving you the necessary tools at a reasonable price. Potential for scaling. If you're looking to grow your business, a CRM that's built for the way you do business is a must. Unlike Salesforce, which is typically only used by big businesses, Pipedrive was built for small and medium-sized enterprises. One of the most important factors that you should consider when it comes to scaling is having the ability to keep track of all of the details of your sales and marketing operations. With the ability to create teams, Pipedrive can help you manage all of your sales and marketing activities. Use the features you need. Although Salesforce has a lot of features, it limits the level of access that you can get to its higher tiers. By using Pipedrive instead, you can get all of the features that you need without additional limitations. With the ability to store and manage custom fields, sales pipelines, and data, you can easily scale your organization and reach your sales goals. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.